Hey, Ayi. Good morning.
Good morning, Danny. You have a full schedule today, starting with an investor meeting at noon.
Hey, Ayi. Call Lisa.
Hey, Danny. I'm headed up right now. Hey, Ayi. Turn the temperature up and play some music.
Turning the temperature up to 72 degrees. Playing from Spotify.
Hey, Ayi. Call an Uber to 5th Avenue.
Your car will arrive in 5 minutes.
Hey, Ayi. Good night.
We have a meeting in Union Square at noon. Would you like me to schedule an Uber?
Hey, what do you think of these glasses?
Bonjour Guillaume, c'est maman.
Show me today's news. What about today's weather?
Sunny, 28 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
Bring me to location Man Mo Temple.
Received.
The first location.
Walk straight, 800 meters away. Presentation to Jordan.
Send to Jordan.
Call Chelsea. Take a video.
Add friend.
Accepted.
From video doorbells that see when anyone steps on your property, security cameras with lights, alarms, and motion sensors, to connected lights that create a ring of security around your home. A traditional alarm system that's anything but traditional, with intelligent sensors throughout the home, connected to cameras inside and out, professional monitoring, and 911 response. This is home security like never before. Ring is a whole new way of protecting your home and property. Ring Neighborhoods takes security beyond the home and connects you to what's going on in your neighborhood. A new neighborhood watch for the digital age. Layering smart, proactive security throughout your home and around your neighborhood. Welcome to the next generation of home security. Here's a look at Ring Home Security in 2018. Home security begins at the front door with the Ring Video Doorbell. With options to fit every home, Ring Video Doorbell is the best and first choice in smart home security. Shine a light on your home security with Ring Spotlight Cam and Floodlight Cam. Bright lights and a powerful siren alarm put security in your hands. With ultra-bright LEDs, night vision, and motion alerts, Ring puts total home protection in every corner of your property. Ring Beams adds powerful, wire-free lighting to your home. A motion-activated network of lights that talk to each other. The first of its kind. Smart lighting that connects to your other Ring devices to enhance your ring of security. Ring Alarm is the next generation of home security. A state-of-the-art security system that you can install yourself. Smart home protection that's customizable to fit your home. Peace of mind and whole home security at your fingertips. The new Stick-Up Cam is simple to install and works both inside and outside the home, so you'll always know what's going on. Battery and wired options make Stick-Up Cam both smart and versatile. Ring Neighborhoods lets you connect and share information quickly with your neighbors, keeping you one step ahead of suspicious activity. Now, when something happens, you can stay informed with alerts from your community. Like a new neighborhood watch, so we can work together to create safer neighborhoods for all. This is home security like never before. This is Ring.